Hello guys! Overview of platforms and spaces for Vzor-1 red dot. I will tell which products are in the kit, which are sold separately, and what are the differences between them. Differences in height, differences in compatibility with different rails, Picatinny, bases. I will explain what do these names mean, what are the characteristics, how do they look separately, how much they weigh, and I will install them on the red dot. My name is Anastasia. Platforms are designed for installation of red dots on rifles, and not just installation, but comfortable installation. And this comfort depends on different parameters. It depends on the setup of additional equipment that you use on your rifle. It depends on the rifle itself. For example, AKs and ARs have their own features. Also, you have your own features, I mean anatomical features. And all these parameters, they influence the choice of the platform. And we, from our side, we made different options for different goals. So let's look at the whiteboard from top to bottom. Number 1, PB1. P stands for platform, or in Russian, platforma. B stands for Russian word быстросъемный, which means quick release. So quick release platform. It has a quick release. It is designed for installation on Picatinny rail. The height of the platform is 20 millimeters. I mean the height from the rail to the optical axis of the red dot. Next, PN1. Platform. N means низкий. In Russian it means low, so low platform. It is the lowest platform for red dots that we made. It is 17 millimeters. It is made for Picatinny rail. It has no quick release. Next, PVP30. Platform Vzor Picatinny 30 millimeters. It is for installation on Picatinny rail with no quick release, height 30 millimeters. There is a higher option of this platform, PVP39. The difference is that the height is 39 millimeters. Next option is different, PVB45U. Platform Vzor basis for installation at a 45 degrees angle. It is designed for installation on basis rail, but you can install it on Picatinny rail as well if you use Picatinny basis adapter. We have Picatinny basis adapters. Next, PVB20. Platform Vzor basis 20 millimeters. It is a platform for direct installation on basis rail. There are different heights of this platform, PVB20, PVB30, PVB39. Under the line, there are spacers. Spacers are designed for increasing the height of platforms, and actually you can use them on any platforms, but the most optimal choices are to use them with PB1 or PN1, with quick release platform or with low platform. And here are the spacers. I will show them closer. So the height of PV30, spacer Vzor 30, with the quick release platform is 30 millimeters. The height of PV39 spacer with PB1 is 39 millimeters. And with lower platform, the height is lower. So PV30 plus PN1, 27 millimeters, PV39 with PN1, 36 millimeters. What is in the kit of Vzor-1? This, this, and this. All other platforms are sold separately. Now let's look at them closer. I arranged platforms in categories for Picatinny rail, for basis rail, spacers. Let's start from the beginning. PB1 quick release platform. The kit includes the platform and 4 screws for installation on the red dot. All the platforms have those screws in the kit, so it will be fair to weight them together with screws. 34 grams. Next, PN1 low platform. 19 grams. Next, PV P30. 29 grams. PV P39. 33 grams. Platforms for basis rail. They have oval mounts in the kit for installation on basis rail. PV B45U platform for installation at 45 degrees angle. 25 grams. PV B20. 25 grams. PV B30. 30 grams. PV B39. 35 grams. Spacers. PV 30. 12 grams. PV 39. 18 grams. How to install a spacer on the platform? You take platform, you install spacer on it, and you screw in 4 screws. And install it on the red dot. Let's see how it looks on the red dot. I prepared several red dots with different spacers. First on quick release platform with no spacer, second on quick release platform with the PV30 spacer, third on quick release platform with PV39 spacer. I suggest to install all of them on Picatinny rail and visually see the difference in height. We will also find out how many red dots can fit on one B33 dust cover. So, first one. Second one. You actually know this little guy. This exact red dot participated in our ice test when we first froze it into a block of ice and then shot into it with 12 caliber. It feels all right. It doesn't want to retire. And actually I took it with me to a range a couple of days ago. It works absolutely fine. So you will see this little guy in more videos. Important thing to mention: when you install the quick release platform on Picatinny rail, if there is wobble, you need to adjust it. I am not doing that right now. Third one, the highest. So 3 red dots can fit on B33 dust cover. Here is how the difference in height look like. And now I suggest to see other platforms. On an example of this red dot. I would like to point out that platforms for Picatinny are made with quick release and without quick release. You can adjust height on quick release with spacers, and platforms without quick release are made in different heights. So, for example, an analog for PV P39 in height will be quick release platform with PV39 spacer. So they have the same height, but One has quick release, another has no quick release, and there are differences here. Now, I suggest to install a platform for basis rail. That is PVB20, the lowest platform for basis. I will install the red dot on the top basis rail of leader kit. First I will take off these red dots. Then ovals should enter oval openings on the basis rail. These new oval mounts are very comfortable. They can be tightened with your hands, and then you can tighten more with a screwdriver or with a knife. An interesting thing here is that I still can see the iron side. So that were our platforms for Vzor-1 red dot. You can see more information about each platform on our website en.zenitco.ru. Also, you can see the list of our official partners on our website en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. We have never given any licenses to anyone to make our products, so the only place in the world that can legally manufacture them is our factory in Noginsk. Noginsk is a town near Moscow. Our factory is working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without holidays, making new cool stuff every day. And actually new videos that are going to come out will be very interesting because we are going to release some new cool stuff. If there are any issues with YouTube, I will post videos in our Telegram channel Zenitco, so I recommend you to follow it as well. So press the like button if you like the video, write your questions in the comment section, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.